Hey there, cool cat. Let's learn some new music stuff that's really super fun and it's going to make music a mental health tool inside your life. You could do it anywhere. That's the best part, also. So, here we go. We're going to be combining solfege with rhythm. Woo! Okay, so we're going to do clapping. We're going to keep it simple just to start. So we're going to sing our solfege, or do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. And we're going to do that with clapping. We're going to clap on each syllable. Okay, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Let's go down. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Okay, if that was super easy for you, then you're ready for the next one. Let's do 2 claps for every single solfege. Now you may be asking yourself, why are we doing this? Like, why do we do these things? It's because when you involve more parts of your body with music, it makes it not only more fun for your mind and more challenging for your mind, but it also is a great healing technique for your body. Your body loves to move around, and nowadays we're always just stuck on our phones, sitting down places, and we're just not moving around. But this will help you, especially if you're feeling depressed and you're trying to get out of that bed. Just laying on your back and just clapping and singing this, it will help get your mind out of that depressive state and help you get going. So let's do these 2 claps now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Let's go down. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Awesome. I hope this was helpful and that you have a mentally healthy rest of your day.